Garden is not just about beauty. It can be a great connection with nature. We have got incredible garden bed ideas in this video that will make your small area feel like a lush, beautiful paradise. Number 1. Raised wooden garden bed. First, let's come to the most popular idea, the raised wooden garden bed. It can be made of wood or bamboo. The soil is slightly elevated so the roots of the plant grow well. A great idea for growing vegetables, flowers or herbs. Number 2. Vertical garden bed. Vertical garden beds are perfect for those with limited space. You can hang the plant pots on the wall, balcony, or ceiling. These will save space and make your home greener. Number 3. Brick garden bed. This is an old and long-lasting beautiful design called the brick garden bed. You can plant flowers or herbs by making a border around them with bricks and stones. It looks very natural and also enhances the beauty of the garden. Number 4. Spiral herb garden. If you want something a little unique, you can make a spiral herb garden. It looks like a spiral. You can plants that get more water at the bottom and plants that are in dry soil at the top. So many different plants in the same bed. Number 5. Container garden bed. Instead of throwing away old drums, buckets or boxes, plant trees in them. This way you can make a container garden bed which is easily removable and environmentally friendly too.